Hyderabad. Here I come. Okay, so this is the Hyderabad meet now, and beautiful morning. Hello. Wow, so many bikers. Alright guys, so I'm in Hyderabad, Phoenix Arena.
With that,
Look at the crowd here.
Let me start the day. Good morning all once again, and thank you so much for being here and all the lovely bikers over here.
So with that, I actually would like Sunny here to say something about the philosophy of XBHP that has actually brought all of us together and gave this idea and thought of Road Trip United to bring all of us here today. Sunny.
Thank you, man.
Good morning.
Well, hello Hyderabad. Before I move ahead, I want to make a special mention here of a person who's not here right now because of old age, but not because of the lack of his passion for motorcycling. Okay, so Colonel Kaleem has been, he's into his 80s now, and he has been one of the main pillars in Hyderabad for XBHP. And if you don't know about him, he has been riding across India and across the border, for example, to Pakistan and other countries on a simple 125cc, 100cc motorcycle since a very long time. Now, talking about super bikes and normal bikes, you know, we have never demarcated basis of them. As you can see, we have a scooter, we have the world's fastest bike running alongside and being on the same stage. In fact, the saying that slow and steady wins the race is true because the only machine which has made to the stage is the end torque, while all of the rest of the machines are still, you know, behind there, down. So jokes apart, thank you so much for coming here on a weekday, and I didn't expect good weather here, but it's cool breeze. So let me start by mentioning the people who are actually riding around India, you know, the common people, because if you know our concept, we are inviting guest riders who are, you know, riding with us for around 500-600 kilometers and completing the whole 10,000 kilometers of journey. And when we go into cities, we invite people, we invite bikers that meet us. So let me start with the core team who's going all around India. Myself, I'm Sunny, also known as the motographer. He's Manan Chaturvedi, also known as Chaturvedi. He's Sunil Gupta, also known as Sunil Ji. So we three people are common throughout, and we have invited guest riders. Let me tell you their names. So you might be knowing someone who is already from Hyderabad. Who knows Vikas Rajmalla here? Vikas Rajmalla is here. Buddies! Come. All right, so Vikas is here. Then we have Zahir, who is from Kolkata. He is going back today. He's joined us in Kolkata till Hyderabad. And then we have, he's known as Zahir Biker Boy on YouTube and Instagram. And then we have Mr. Deepak Gupta, who's known as Extreme Moto Adventure. Who knows him? He's the one who did the extreme riding to get the end talk on the stage. So that's why he's known as Extreme Moto Adventure, right? So, and also, we have stickers and badges for all of you. I want to take a special note of thanks for Moto Wings here, who has arranged everything for us. So can I ask everyone from Moto Wings to come up on stage, please? Well, I want to thank Moto Wings. Thank you so much for all the energy. Practically they have done this event. So thank you so much, guys. And we are missing Sridhar. And but his creativity is here. So what a wonderful cake here in Hyderabad. I mean, they have actually replicated the whole H2 with the number plate. I don't want to eat it, like it's just more of a display piece, but I guess we have to eat. I'm trying to take out the helmet. So this is a helmet, the most important part of riding here, and I'm going to eat it. The helmet. मैं बैग को खा रहा हूँ. मेरा लैपटॉप इसमें. No vlogs because I've eaten my laptop. And Manan, I would like you to try and see how to get the crowd, without starting the engine of the bike.
Okay, I'll sing Road Trip United का theme song. All right. मिलकर साथ चलें, पा जाएंगे मंजिलें सारी इतनी सी ही है. तुमसे तो गुजारिश हमारी, we go on the ride, we ride together with the pride, don't have a you when I hear, सिर्फ we ही दिखता है यहाँ, the only you that you will find is in the Road Trip United.
Nice.
So, दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया.
So here is a
Epitome of extreme adventure.
so he's also going to reach 1 million just by moto vlogging on YouTube. थोड़ी टिप्पणियां दे दें आप कि आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे.
कैसे आप सब लोग? मत आवाज नहीं आई. तो जैसा कि मैं बोल रहा था कि जो मेरी जर्नी थी वो शुरू हुई थी 2012 में, लेकिन इसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहा था XBHP का, सनी भाई का, क्योंकि वहाँ पर एक फॉरम है XBHP के नाम से. तो वहाँ पर मैं पहले वीडियोस वगैरह जो भी थी, फ़ोटोज़ वगैरह, ब्लॉग्स वगैरह लिखता था. वहीं से जो जर्नी है वो स्टार्ट हुई, और उसके बाद जैसे जैसे मोटो व्लॉग का ये यूट्यूब का सीन आता रहा, फिर मैं इसमें वीडियोस वगैरह डाले, फिर चलता रहा ये ऐसे ही.
जाहिर, क्विकली आप भी कुछ एक दो शब्द कह दीजिए प्लीज़. तो आप बहुत यंगस्टर्स के आइडल हैं, अगर आप यंगस्टर्स को कुछ बोलना चाहोगे.
Hello guys, so actually I'm from West Bengal. I'm a moto vlogger and मैं सुपर बाइक्स के ऊपर एंड टूरिंग के ऊपर वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. तो मेरे उधर तो बहुत लोग मुझे फॉलो करते, बहुत लोग इंस्पायर भी होते. एंड यंग एज में मतलब जब हम लोग बाइक राइड करते तो बहुत सारी गलतियाँ कर लेते. रैश राइडिंग हो, ओवर स्पीडिंग हो, एंड विदाउट प्रॉपर राइडिंग गियर्स हो, बहुत मिस्टेक्स होती थी. बट धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ा, जैसे मैंने XBHP के साथ मतलब मिला, उनके पास से बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला, रिस्पॉन्सिबल तरीके से राइडिंग करना, एंड फिर धीरे धीरे सब कुछ सुधारने लगा. तो एज अ यंग मोटो व्लॉगर मेरा यही मतलब रहेगा सारे यंगस्टर से कि अपना जो बाइकिंग है उसको ठीक तरीके से करो, प्रॉपर वे से करो, प्रॉपर राइडिंग गियर्स पहनो. मैंने भी बहुत गलतियाँ किया था, बट सुधार लेना, मैंने भी सुधारा है, आप लोग भी सुधारना. इट्स अ पैशन फॉर मी, हॉबी है, करता रहा. एंड देखो आज मैं XBHP के साथ हूँ. मेरा एक्चुअली ड्रीम था कि मैं बड़ा ग्रुप के साथ राइड करूँ, रोड ट्रिप्स करूँ, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स विजिट करूँ, एंड वही चीज़ मैंने मतलब कंटिन्यू किया, एंड आज मैं इनके साथ हूँ. सो थैंक्स टू XBHP कि इतना बड़ा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिला.
And we would really want him to be here. He's a very fast guy. Sandeep. Where is Sandeep? Sandeep Nadimpalli.
హలో సారీ యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా లేట్ వచ్చాను. సో నేను ప్రతి మీటప్లోని చెప్తూనే ఉంటాను. అందరూ నాకు ఇప్పుడు కూడా మెసేజ్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి, స్టడీస్ మానేస్తానన్నా రేసింగ్లోకి వచ్చేస్తాను అని. ప్లీజ్ అలాంటిది ఎప్పుడూ చేయకండి, స్టడీస్ని కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ రేసింగ్లోకి రండి. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి ఓపెన్గా చెప్పాలి అంటే మోటార్ సైక్లింగ్ ఎలా అయిపోయింది అంటే, ఇప్పుడు మోటార్ సైక్లింగ్ అంటే అందరూ ఒక గోప్రో కొనేసి ట్రావెల్ చేసేద్దామని అందరూ అటు సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. నథింగ్ రాంగ్, బట్ స్టిల్ రేసింగ్ అనేది కూడా ఒకటి ఉంది. స్పోర్ట్ని మనం చాలా గ్రో చేయాలి. ప్లీజ్ రేసింగ్ సైడ్ కూడా కొంచెం ఎంట్రీస్ పెడుతూ ఉండండి, మోటో బ్లాగ్ సైడే కాదు. దట్స్ ఇట్. అండ్ నేను ఒక మంత్ ఎగో నేను ఢిల్లీలోనే ఉన్నాను. ఎక్స్బిహెచ్పి టీంతో ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ లాగా అయిపోయామన్నమాట. చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నారు. అందుకే నిద్ర లేకపోయినా సరే పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వచ్చేసాను ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళని కలవడానికి. దట్స్ ఇట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
All the riders who are doing this ride, we would want them here. We would like to felicitate them. All 6 or 7 riders. Hyderabadi style, please, if you can.
I the biker! Great, thank you so much, Hyderabad.
You came, I was excited since the day one you started the road trip meetup. Every day I used to post on Instagram and I've been mailed you also that when are you going to come to Hyderabad. So finally I've come. I thought I was late, so finally I was on time here. I was like very excited to meet you because it's almost been 2 years. I wanted to share this message to you since long time it's been due. So thanks a lot to XBHP team, Mr. Manan and Sunny.
Zahir,
Yes.
आप आज जा रहे हो, लास्ट दिन है आपका,
बुरा लग रहा है, सच बोलूं तो बुरा लग रहा
आप और आप वापस कोलकाता जा रहे हो.
है. बहुत दिनों के बाद
बहुत मज़ा आया चलाने में.
बहुत मजा आया और एक्सप्लोर करना था, बेंगलोर वगैरह जाना था, बट इस बार नहीं हो पाएगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम जरूर से आएंगे, भैया के साथ राइड करेंगे.
सॉरी,
इंस्पिरेशन है आप मतलब आपका जो ये सब ग्रुप राइडिंग वगैरह सब देख के मतलब मेरे भी दिल में को होता अरे चलो यार मूड खराब है बाइक लेके निकल
Thank
जाओ यार। सर मैं ये मतलब पक्का ये प्रॉमिस कर रहा हूँ एक हो सका तो एक 6 मंथ्स 7 मंथ्स के बाद आपके ग्रुप में कैसा भी ज्वाइन कर प्रॉमिस.
आप ऑलरेडी हो हमारे ग्रुप के पास. थैंक यू. सो ये ज़हीर अभी आपको कैसा लगा पूरी राइड में?
बहुत अच्छा लगा इनके साथ राइड करके. मतलब जो रोड ट्रिप करे ना हम लोगों ने चेन्नई से लेकर हैदराबाद तक एक साथ बहुत मस्ती किया, बाइक चलाई, बहुत एंजॉय किया, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फोटोज लिए.
एंटॉर्क को बहुत चलाया तुमने.
एंटॉर्क, हाँ एंटॉर्क.
और एंटॉर्क भी ऐसे चला रहे थे जैसे पता नहीं उसमें कोई सुपर चार्जर लगा हुआ.
नहीं एक्चुअली मैं सुपर बाइकर हूँ ना, मेरे पास सुपर चार्जर है. तो बाइकर हो उसको कुछ भी बाइक मिल जाए वो चला लेगा.
बहुत बढ़िया. तो अभी आप सो हैव अ लुक एट दिस बाइक व्हिच has come to the Hyderabad meet here. This is a BSA. Tell me more about this.
It's a 350cc, 1938 make.
Wow,
So the horn is
that's nice. Once more. Yeah, nothing beats vintage. Hyderabad has always been a great city for our meetups with amazing bikers, and now the amazing improved modern infrastructure has added a great flavor to it as well. I've been shooting in and around Hyderabad with a Canon R5, and I must say this is the perfect super camera for a super bike like this. The best part about this is that when you can't afford to put a gimbal or a stabilizer on the go, this can handle a lot of vibrations with an inbuilt image stabilization, plus the lens also has a stabilizer in it. Now we are heading back to the hotel, as tomorrow we will take our Ninja H2 for a much needed service session.
सो आज मेरा रोड ट्रिप यूनाइटेड 2021 का लास्ट डे है. एंड ये जो बाइक है TVS Apache 310 RR, इसको मैंने अराउंड 500-550 किलोमीटर चलाया है. एंड उतना राइड करने के बाद भी इस बाइक का जो इंजन परफॉर्मेंस है वो एकदम मेंटेन्ड है, क्योंकि इस बाइक में हमने यूज़ किया कैस्ट्रॉल पावर वन अल्टीमेट 5-in-1 फार्मूला. एंड इस इंजन ऑयल के मदद से इस बाइक का जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो मेंटेन रहता है, इंजन कूल रहता है बहुत सारे किलोमीटर्स राइड करने के बाद भी. एंड इसका जो एंड्योरिंग कैपेसिटी है वो भी मेंटेन रहता है, इसका जो एक्सेलरेशन है वो भी स्मूथ रहता है. सो ऑल थैंक्स टू कैस्ट्रॉल पावर वन अल्टीमेट फॉर द अल्टीमेट परफॉर्मेंस.